Hello guys, welcome back again into my channel. I'm gonna talk a little bit about the schema or the structure data on the search engine result. So if you're wondering about what is that, the structured data markup, especially in the Google search, actually you can read on the website Google Search Central, but what I understand is by providing the information to the search engine, it can help uh, search engine to identify the information in the page, and then providing the more content um, to the search engine a crawler, I think. And the most interesting thing is it can define how the information is displayed on the search result, something like this. This is the okay. So this is the example of if we have a like recipe post or recipe page or whatever you call it, and we provide the schema, the structured data markup in our page, and then somehow Google will display the result of our page in the search results, something like this. So it's kind of look it's look good. I mean, it's interesting because people most likely will have more interest to see or to click the web page, the web link which is displayed on the search result. And I'm gonna start with a breadcrumb. It's a breadcrumb list, I think. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the breadcrumb. How should I call it? The breadcrumb. It's the type is a breadcrumb list structured data, but it doesn't show us the example or the screenshot, the image how it will look like on the Google search. But here there is four type or four kind of the structured data which we can use. There is a JSON LD, what should I call this? JSON LD type, LDFA type. I don't know what is this. Microdata type, and HTML type, whatever is it. But let's see. Wait. I read about that here. The JSON LD is recommended. Yeah, this one. So the format of the structured data in our page is recommended to use the JSON LD format embedded in a script tag and head body. All right, let's go back to the bricks builder. Since the bricks builder have a breadcrumb element, so how not we make a custom snippet for that? And I already make that one. Okay, so if you take a look at the bricks editor. All right, let's wait. Not sure about that. Like I already used NVMe and then the 13th generation of Intel, but it's kind of slow. Not sure about it. But yeah, just wait. Come on, bro. Yeah, damn it. Well, I guess it's good for make my video longer, so it can help me reach the target to make AdSense to display the ads on my video. All right, now it's working. All right, see, this is the breadcrumb element. Okay, and we can just like modify our item, the bread item. Okay, see. Let's refresh. Where is that? All right, this one. All right, now it has a post title in the last as last item, but I already add a snippet for that, which can generate a JSON LD structure data markup format. Well, don't worry. I will always share the code later on my website. So please make sure to register there. Okay, so this is the code. And if you take a look at the page source, on the footer, I made it, I place it on the footer. Okay, you see there is a script type application LD.json, and then it has a information, or it has our schema data. So we can test it actually using a schema validator, or using a rich result test from Google. Well, let's test both. So let's just, how do I view page source? Oops. Let's copy, go to the code. Alright, there's no wrong. We have a breadcrumb list schema type here. 1, 2. Okay, this is the post title. Yeah, you can see that. And this is the second item of the breadcrumb, which is the category. Where? This one. And this is the first item of the breadcrumb, which is home. Let's go to the Google Rich Result test. Let's paste our code there. Let's test the code. This might take a minute or two, whatever. Let's try. Okay. The breadcrumb, one valid item detected. Unnamed item. Not sure about this. Should I rename it or make adjustment? But I will learn about it more. But I think that doesn't matter if we have like a name item, because the type is recognized as a breadcrumb list. Oops. We have like one item, the first item, second item, and the third item, which is the post title. I think that's good. So I think this one is one of the screenshot. Like, if we provide the breadcrumb list markup, structured data markup, how should I call it? Damn it, I forget. Well, yeah, structured data markup, structured data markup. This is what they do. What is that? What search engine do? It probably might be replace this plain URL on the search result. Okay, let's see. I wanna see my website. I'm not really good with SEO, so yeah, this one probably like this one. In this part, yeah. Probably we can modify this. So if we provide the structured data, we can modify just this. So probably it can help just I don't know what's the main point of this. Does it really impact the SEO, I mean, or no? For this breadcrumb list, if you talk about the rich result test for a recipe, like, okay, let's search for recipe burger. Yeah, this one. See, it might impact user or people interest to click the website, right? But if it's breadcrumb, I'm not sure like the user will see that, like, okay, this breadcrumb is good, this apa namanya, this link structure is good, so I have to click it. No, I don't think so, but not sure about the impact on the SEO itself. But whatever, that's the first element that I made a script to generate the schema structured data. I will try to make another snippet for another element. So if you want to if you interesting to see other element, to know the code snippet for other element for generating a schema, please make sure to comment on the comment box down below. I think that's it. it. So just make sure to visit my website and see the code there later. Thank you for watching and see you on the next my video. Bye bye.